the kick-ass travel oven. One down here is all my connections. That one there is for a laptop, Starlink, and this gauge here is tells me the voltage, so 13.4 coming in and 15.1 volts going to the actual travel buddy. That's all done through this little booster down here, which is not far from it, as you can see, mounted up there. And then if I go back this way a bit, and you go down, all the fuses are all mounted up in there, and all the wiring there. So it's the easiest way I can explain as to what I've done. This red one here, it's my solar coming in, and that's the power coming out, my main power that runs all of this, plus my duck travel buddy. Over the back there, my fridge, the lights, which I've got another light here as well in the back. These are all. And then I'll move over to here, the brains of it all. The battery, 170 amp, lithium, red arc, BC to DC. That there is my isolator, low battery isolator, my shunt, circuit breaker coming out all the way back through there. In behind here I've got the negative buzz bar for everything.